It's December 23rd, 2019, and this is what happened at Glass River Media last week. It was a quiet week around here as we wind down towards the end of the year. Wherever you are this week, the Glass River Media family hopes that you're spending it with people that matter the most to you. As for us, we did get a few hands-on projects done around here. Zeke and Nathan got hinges put on our doors. We love our fabrication workshop, but our new convertible space means that sometimes it needs to go into hiding. We can do that now. And Kirk and I worked on a video where he needs to talk to himself. Now, he and I did something like this 20 years ago on our public access TV show. Back then it was a simple split screen. These days we're using green screen and it's going to be a little bit more complicated. We've gotten ahead on our shooting schedule, so it'll probably be next year before you get to see this video finished. Speaking of which, it looks like I have one more Glass River Weekly before the year is out. Come back next week for that. Until then, stay busy, stay engaged, and I'll be back with more news next week.